Hi everyone, welcome to Career Clue, your go-to channel for interview tips, career guidance, and job preparation. In this video, we will covering the top 10 IT support interview questions and answers. This video will help you prepare confidently and make a great impression. Let's get started. Question number 1. Tell me about yourself. Answer. I have experience in IT support, helping users fix computer, software, and network issues. I enjoy troubleshooting, solving problems, and explaining things in a simple way so people can work smoothly. In my last role, I handled daily support tickets, fixed hardware and software problems, and created easy guides for common issues. Now I am looking for a role where I can keep learning, support more users, and grow within a professional IT team. Question number 2. What are the differences between a router, a switch, and a hub? Answer. A hub, switch, and router all connect devices, but they do different jobs. A hub sends every signal to all connected devices. It's simple but not efficient. A switch sends data only to the correct device, which makes the network faster and safer. A router connects different networks, like your office network, to the internet and manages traffic between them. In simple words, a hub shouts to everyone, a switch talks only to the right person, and a router connects entire neighborhoods together. Question number 3. What is your process when you start troubleshooting an issue? Answer. My process is step by step. I listen carefully to understand the problem. I ask questions and collect details like error messages or recent changes. I test simple things first: cables, restarts, connections. I narrow down possible causes and check logs or settings. Once I fix the issue, I confirm with the user and record what worked. This method helps me stay organized and solve problems quickly. Question number 4. A user reports that their computer keeps showing a blue screen of death. How would you handle it? Answer. I would start by noting when the blue screen appears: during startup, after opening software, or randomly. Then I would check the error code and review the system logs in Event Viewer. I would test the hardware by running memory and disk checks. Make sure the device isn't overheating and check for outdated drivers. If it's caused by recent updates or software, I would roll them back or reinstall clean versions. Once fixed, I would document the steps and test the system to ensure stability. Question number 5. How would you troubleshoot a computer that cannot connect to the internet while others can? Answer. I would first confirm the symptoms: no internet at all or slow connection. Since other devices work, it's likely an issue with that specific computer. I would check the physical connection or Wi Fi signal, ensure the network adapter is enabled, and use ping or ipconfig commands to test connectivity. If the PC can reach the router but not website, I would look for DNS, proxy, or firewall issues. Updating or reinstalling the network driver often helps. After fixing it, I would test with multiple sites and explain to the user what went wrong. Question number 6. How do you explain technical issues to non technical users? Answer. I stay calm and use simple language. First, I listen and confirm that I understand the problem. Then I use examples or comparisons, like saying the router works like a post office that delivers your data. I explain step by step what I am doing and make sure the user follows along. Being patient and clear helps build trust and reduces confusion. Question number 7. What operating systems and software are you familiar with? Answer. I have worked with Windows, Mac OS, and some Linux systems. I also support users with Microsoft Office, email clients, remote support tools, and help desk ticketing systems. I can manage user accounts, reset passwords, set up printers, and handle basic network troubleshooting. I am quick to learn new tools whenever the company uses something different. Question number 8. How would you diagnose a slow computer? Answer. I start by asking when the computer feels slow while starting, browsing, or using certain apps. Then I would open Task Manager to see which programs use too much CPU, memory, or disk. I would check for unnecessary startup apps, background updates, or malware. I would also look at free disk space, run a health check on the hard drive, and check for recent updates. If hardware is old, I would suggest adding more RAM or replacing the drive with SSD. Finally, I would give the user simple maintenance tips to keep performance smooth. Question number 9. What steps would you take if a user's computer is running very slowly and affecting their work? Answer. I would first confirm the exact symptoms, when it started, and what actions caused the slowdown. Then I would check Task Manager or Activity Monitor for high CPU or memory use. I would close or uninstall heavy background apps, clear temporary files, and check disk space. Next, I would make sure the system is up to date and scan for malware or unwanted programs. If I notice hardware issues like low RAM or a failing drive, I would suggest repair or upgrade. After the fix, I would test performance, explain the cause to the user, and share simple steps to prevent it again. Question number 10. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Answer. I would like to grow into a senior IT support or system administrator role. I want to keep improving my technical skills, help train new team members, and work on larger network or security projects. My goal is to keep learning while making IT support faster and more user friendly. These were the top 10 IT support interview questions and answers to help you prepare confidently for your next interview. Remember, strong troubleshooting, clear communication, and a calm attitude always make a great impression. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to Career Clue, and comment below which job role you would like us to cover next. Good luck with your interview, and thanks for watching.